Really nice master bedroom. Terrace with closets. His, hers, master bathroom. Very sort of popular and desirable Ann Sachs. So the Ann Sachs tiles are handcrafted in Portland, Oregon. Lots of people like Ann Sachs, and so that's what we'll be using. When I'm working on a brownstone like this, it's really about restoring history and remembering history. Every time you walk down this hallway, you see some of these details. I think it's pretty cool. I want to point out door styles. You'd be surprised. Notice doors when you go into an apartment. This is a 2-panel door with sticking, and you can drive yourself crazy. You probably grew up in a house that had 6 panels or 4 panels. We're going much more sort of transitional or modern now, with less is more. People like it. We chose that over a 1-panel. I think it's great. Solid wood door. Let's talk about the arched windows. So we had to go to great lengths to get these to match the exterior, as opposed to when I bought this, it had windows straight across with landmarks and historic. You're going to get a lot of imperfections. So you can see 3 inches there, it goes to about ½ an inch on this side, part of the character of a landmark building. This is the original handrail that the previous owner, who was a very famous artist, painted pink, along with the trim, which I'm going to keep. I think it's really cool and interesting and shows his character. Whether the new owner feels the same way, I'm not sure, but I think it's pretty neat.